It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, to solve a system of equations by graphing. So first things first, these are our steps. We are going to write equations in slope-intercept form because that is the easiest way to graph. Then we're going to graph each equation, and then finally, we are going to find the point at which the two lines meet or intersect, and then we're going to write this point as a coordinate pair, and we call this the point of intersection. So let's go ahead and get started solving these equations. All right, so I'm going to look at our first equation, x plus 3y equals 27. My first step is going to be subtracting x from both sides because remember, I'm trying to get y by itself. When I do that, now I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So y equals 27 divided by 3, which is 9. And then negative x divided by 3, we can actually write that as negative 1/3 x. Remember, every variable that doesn't have a number written in front of it technically has a 1. All right, so this is our first equation. Y equals 9 minus 1/3 x. As a reminder, we always graph the line by starting at the y-intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So there is my first point at 9, and my slope is negative. That means that we are going to be heading downhill. So we read graphs like we read books. So that means if our slope is negative, it should be like we're sledding down a hill. So that means we go down 1 and to the right 3, because negative 1/3 means 1 negative move and 3 positive moves. So here we go. So there's my first down 1 to the right 3. Here's my second down 1 to the right 3. And my third down 1 to the right 3. And I'm going to use a ruler to connect all 3 points. And there is my first line. If you're following along with me, this is problem 7. And I know I graphed this right because it went through the coffee cup. All right, let's solve our second equation. We have negative 2x plus y equals 2. This one's nice. Y is by itself. So I just need to get the x to the other side, and then I'm going to be ready to graph this. So y equals 2 plus 2x. All right, so our y-intercept is 2, and our slope is also positive 2. So our first step is to plot our y-intercept right here at 0, 2. And then our slope is also positive 2. Remember, there is a secret 1 underneath every whole number. So for plotting our slope, we're going to start at our y-intercept of 2, and we go up 2 and to the right 1. So sometimes we call that rise over run. So we rise 2 and we run to the right 1, and we're going to do that one more time so we have a solid number of points to connect, up 2 and to the right 1. And now we just need to connect these points with a ruler, and because I see that coffee cup gets hit by my line, I know that I graphed that correctly. I also see that my point of interception is right here at 3, 8. So when we write a point of intersection as a coordinate pair, we open with a parenthesis. The x coordinate goes first, so 3, comma, then the y coordinate of 8. We close parenthesis. Remember, we write coordinates like the alphabet. X comes first and then y. All right, that is how you solve a system of equations by graphing. Till next time, remember, you've got this.